Handan Metal Products Company Limited is located in Handan City, Hebei Province, China. It's one of the world's most important fastener production base, with supporting logistics center and expo center. Held every year the World Fastener Expo to attract buyers from all over the world to visit. Our company mainly engaged in standard color production and sales. The company covers an area of 6,000 square meters, hundreds of employees, with more than 70 sets of high-end cold heading machines, annual output of more than 5,000 tons, engaged in import and export industry for more than 10 years. It has been praised by both inside and outside the industry. The essence of the company: quality first, service first principle. Sincerely look forward to cooperating with you.